In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or add your profile picture on Facebook account. So I have here my Facebook account, and as you can see, this is my profile picture. However, I'd like to change it. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile here and then tap on it, and this will display your profile. Now from here, head over to this icon and then tap on it again, which shows your profile picture. And now you can see our profile image has been displayed. To change it, just simply tap on it to select from your gallery, or select camera if you want to take a photo. For my case, I already have it on my phone, so I just tap on this image. If it is blank, still tap on the blank image here. And then you have to go ahead and select whether you want to choose a profile picture, and this will take you to your gallery or import from Instagram. For my case, I have it in my gallery, so I'll select choose profile picture, and this will take me to my gallery, and then I'll choose the photo that I want. And for my case, I want this. You can double click on it to see it or to resize it, and once you are done, just tap on done. And then before you tap on save, go ahead and choose whether you want to share this update on your feeds. For my case, I like to share with my feeds. If you don't want it to be displayed on your feeds, go ahead and unselect this and then save. And this will go ahead and update. And within a moment, we should see the change. And look at that. Our profile image or profile photo has been changed. If you want to change your cover photo, you can also use the same method. You can just click on it and then either upload a photo, or you can take from your camera direct. So that's how you change your profile picture on your Facebook using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.